Hi there. If you're looking for queries to pitch your expertise to, Contributed Content Connection or CCC or Triple C, however you want to say it, is a platform worth checking out. So today we'll cover what Contributed Content Connection is, how it works, and a few useful insights to make the most of it. So, what is Contributed Content Connection? Well, it is an online platform that connects experts with media outlets in need of content. It's like a marketplace for journalists and editors who are seeking thought leadership, guest articles, or expert quotes. By joining as a source, you can access to requests from publications looking for insights in your field. So, unlike traditional PR outreach where you have to cold pitch journalists, CCC brings opportunities directly to you. So it allows you to position yourself as a credible source while providing value to publications. So how it works is you will search contributed content connection on Google, and then you'll click on this first result right here, and this will bring you to the main page. Now you can check it out so that you are more familiar with the platform. So if you want to get started, you'll see right here, I'm an expert source. So if you are the one who would like to contribute, you'll click on this one. However, if you are a media outlet looking for insights, you'll click on this. So if you are the expert, you'll click on this one right here, and it will take you down to this part of the main page where you have more information here, and then you've got this get started button right here. So you click on this and it will take you to this page where you can select your plan. Now there are paid options. However, if it's your first time and you just want to get started or familiar with it, you aren't familiar with queries, then the free option is a good choice at the beginning. However, if you want to move up to a paid option, that's perfectly fine as well. So once you sign up right here, you will start receiving queries. So you'll get emails containing media requests that match your profile and your expertise. So you can browse the queries. So this is what the email will look like. It has a bunch of queries right here. So you can browse through them, pick one that fits your expertise, and then submit a pitch. So only respond to requests that are relevant to you. So this ensures that your content is useful and it's more likely to get accepted. So think of it like Harrow or Mention Match. The platform delivers the queries to your inbox so you can focus on creating strong, targeted pitches instead of spending hours searching for opportunities. So, if you're wondering what type of content they are looking for, so first of all, it would be guest posts and full articles. So, these are in depth pieces that showcase your expertise on a specific topic. These usually range from 600 to 800 words to longer articles from 1,200 to 1,500 words and are often bylined under your name. Then they're also looking for expert quotes or expert quotes for a roundup. So, quick insights or commentary that journalists can include in broader articles. So, these are short but still highlight your knowledge. And then they are looking for industry insights or trends. These are analysis or perspective on current events, research, or sector specific trends that help publication inform their audience. So, submitting content that fits the request ensures that you provide value, you get published, and build credibility for your brand or expertise. Now, let's say you've gone through all of these and you found one that you think would be a good choice or a good option to pitch to. So you can click on this right here. We'll use this as the example. You can click on this and it will take you to this page. This is where you can submit the pitch. So you can check all of this out. So it's got the publication right here, a short summary, then also guidelines for submission. So you have to take note of this because sometimes the articles would be shorter, and they've got also like useful information for you to go through all of these, like the deadline as well, and then the draft when that should be submitted as well. Then down here you can find all of the details that you need to include. So this is for attribution or just knowing who it is that they are connecting with. So you'll add your full name here, your email address, your phone number is optional. So you'll add the name of your company or the institution here. Then you can add your credentials here as well. So you can mention why you are the relevant person to answer this specific query. And then right here, you can paste in your pitch. Now, please keep this in mind. At this stage, the media outlet is only looking for a short pitch of a topic, so 3 to 4 sentences. So right here, they mentioned the 1,200 to 1,500 words here, but this is only for the article. For the pitch, in order to decide whether or not you are the best source or the best person to respond, only provide the 3 to 4 sentence pitch so that they can go through it and then tell you, okay, now you can go ahead with creating the guest post. So this saves you time instead of creating a full-length guest post and not getting it accepted. Here you can add any links. Once you've read the terms and conditions, you can click on this right here. Click on this box here, I'm not a robot, and then you can submit. After you submit, you will receive an email that says thank you, and they will review your pitch, and then they will let you know once it has been accepted or if it is accepted. So now here are just a few good to know things, tips. So timing matters here. Check your inbox regularly. So some requests have a tight deadline, so make sure that you go through all of the details. Then also track your pitches. Keep a spreadsheet of the queries that you respond to so that you can follow up if it's necessary. Then use examples. So when possible, link to past work to prove credibility. Media outlets love seeing previous contributions. And then stay within the guidelines right here. So make sure you follow word count, deadlines, and content rules listed in each request. Now, here are just a couple of benefits of using CCC. So you get byline articles in reputable publications, building thought leadership. You can, in some instances, earn SEO backlinks when the articles or the quotes are published online. You expand your professional network by connecting with journalists and editors, and you increase your visibility in your industry without cold outreach. So, contributed content connection makes it simple to connect your expertise with media opportunities by selecting relevant queries, following submission guidelines, sharing thoughtful pitches. You can grow your PR presence, establish credibility, and make meaningful connections, all while letting the platform do the heavy lifting of finding the opportunities for you.